This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. According to a recent survey from Freedom Debt Relief, Americans said they were burdened with various debts that keep them from purchasing a home. For many, student loan debt keeps them from being able to save money for the down payment to purchase a home. Having student debt doesn't mean you can't become a homeowner. JTS Company has a loan program options as well as down payment options. There are programs you could qualify for that require zero down payment or as little as 5%. The days of a required 20% down payment are long gone. Call us or schedule an appointment to review your information. We want to help you become the next happy homeowner. According to Zoomper's latest national rent report, the rental price for a one-bedroom unit rose 0.1%, while a two-bedroom unit rose 0.5% in May. Overall, the prices are up 1.5% and 2.4% on a year-to-date basis, respectively. And there's a possibility that rents could still soar in the coming months since the moving season has just started. So, here's the question so many want an answer to. Is it better to buy versus rent? If you've been renting a home, weigh the pros and cons of buying versus renting by first comparing monthly payment cost. Consumers typically buy homes based on how much it costs each month to make the mortgage payment, not the overall price of the home. In our area, rent averages around $1,200 a month for the first year, and that payment can grow by about 3% per year thereafter. Over a 5-year period, your rent could grow from $1,200 a month to almost $1,400 a month. You could potentially save a lot of money in monthly payments by owning a home instead of renting. So let's compare the monthly payment scenario to buying your own home with a fixed rate mortgage. With a fixed rate mortgage, your principal and interest remain the same throughout the entire loan. So if you pay $1,200 a month on a principal and interest, that's what it will be for the entire term of the loan. The only time your monthly payment amount changes over the course of the loan is when your taxes or insurance amounts change. We recently met with a group of potential home buyers where the buy versus rent discussion came up. If you consider the same monthly rent payment of $1,200 a month over the course of 5 years, you have paid $60,000 towards paying off someone else's home. Wouldn't you rather have that money in your own equity? If you have been renting and are considering buying a home, give JTS Company a call to review your options. Owning a home is a big financial decision, and we can help you prepare for what's to come throughout the home buying process. Lastly, I want to mention those in military-based housing may want to consider owning their own home. Frequency of movement could be a detriment to buying a home, but if you know you will be stationed in an area for 2 or more years, it could be a wise investment to consider. Your basic housing allowance could be used towards the monthly payment on your own home. And we work with a lot of military home members who either sell the home and potentially make a profit or use it as real income once they are stationed elsewhere. This is a great way to build wealth through real estate. If you're a military member and looking to purchase a home, please give JTS Company a call to quote your rates before you make a decision to go with a national lender. We are competitive in rates and consistently save home buyers money in closing costs and time since we are typically able to close a loan in 25 days or less. Due to the ever-changing guidelines to loan programs, it's beneficial to work with JTS Company. We stay on top of the changes and are able to guide you through the home buying process with ease. Whether you're looking to purchase or refinance your home, give JTS Company a call. We are local, trusted, and experienced, and we want to make homeownership easy for you. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.